Specifications. As with most super smartphones from China, this one is powered by a Helio P25, MediaTek MT6757CD, processor with 6GB of RAM, a staggering 128GB of onboard storage and a 5.5-inch Full HD JDI-in-cell display covered with Gorilla Glass. There are a couple of points to note. The cameras are 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel respectively, interpolating to 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel. The device supports dual SIM, dual standby and a microSD card, though not all three at the same time. As expected, it comes with 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 and a dual navigation system. NFC is a surprising addition, but one that has become more common in recent times, at least in more expensive models. In use. The Active runs Android 7.1 with Vernee's very own VO overlay. This adds some interesting features like a pop-up wheel that delivers shortcuts, including one that starts in extreme power-saving mode which extends the phone's life to 620 hours, essentially turning it into an expensive feature phone. A fast charger, 9V2A, will provide up to 87% of the battery's capacity in an hour. The screen of the Active was bright enough even in daylight, and we didn't encounter any lag or sluggishness in our tests. All in all, the Active performed as well as other handsets that use the same hardware combination, as you would expect.